When it comes to motorcycles, there's often a clear divide. Beginner bikes that are tame but quickly grow boring, and big, powerful machines that demand respect and experience. But what if you crave the best of both worlds? A bike that's approachable enough for everyday riding, yet thrilling enough to ignite your passion every time you twist the throttle. This is where the middleweight class shines, and none embody this sweet spot, quite like the Aprilia Tuono 660 factory. Priced at $11,500, the Tuono 660 factory is a standout in a segment that's been rapidly evolving. Middleweights have shed unnecessary weight, gained horsepower, and embraced advanced electronics, proving that you don't need a litre-class bike to enjoy exhilarating performance. The Tuono 660 factory strikes a perfect balance, practical and playful. It's designed to handle your daily commute with ease while delivering a grin-inducing blast on the weekends. The Tuono name itself is legendary, blending the aggressive spirit of a sport bike with the upright comfort of a naked street fighter. This 660 model takes inspiration directly from its more track-focused sibling, the RS 660, sharing much of its DNA, but featuring a handlebar setup that offers a more relaxed, upright posture. To enhance comfort during everyday rides, it comes with shorter gearing and rubber foot peg inserts, little touches that make a big difference on longer journeys. Underneath its distinctive and aggressive styling lies a potent 659 cubic centimetre parallel twin engine, engineered for excitement and agility. Unlike the inline-4s or triple-cylinder engines common in this class, the Tuono's parallel twin delivers nearly 105 horsepower at 10,400 RPM and 51.6 pound-feet of torque at 8,400 RPM, thanks to a 270-degree crankshaft that ensures smooth, linear power delivery and a satisfying torque curve. This setup is inspired by Aprilia's renowned V4, but cleverly reimagined to provide lightness and nimbleness without sacrificing punch. Beyond raw numbers, the bike's light 399-pound wet weight means it's highly responsive, where rider input plays a big role in its dynamic performance. The powertrain is complemented by a 6-speed manual transmission with a slipper clutch and a 2-way quickshifter, making gear changes smooth and rapid. Electronic fuel injection ensures crisp throttle response, while a ride-by-wire throttle combined with a sophisticated 6-axis inertial measurement unit (IMU) enables a suite of rider aids that are rare in this class. These include 5 selectable riding modes, traction control, engine braking control, cruise control, and wheelie control, all designed to boost confidence and safety without dulling the riding experience. Aprilia's attention to chassis design further elevates the Tuono 660 factory. It features a twin spar aluminum frame that's unique within this segment, providing exceptional rigidity and lightness. The engine serves as a stressed member, with the swing arm mounted directly to the crankcase, and the swing arm pivot point is adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune handling characteristics to their liking. Suspension duties are handled by fully adjustable Öhlins units front and rear, 43mm forks with 4.3 inches of travel up front, and a rear monoshock with 5.1 inches, offering precision and comfort whether you're carving twisty backroads or navigating urban traffic. Braking performance is another highlight, with dual 320mm floating front discs clamped by Brembo 4-piston radial calipers, paired with a radial master cylinder for superior feel and modulation. The rear brake features a 220mm disc with a 2-piston fixed Brembo caliper, an unusual choice in this class, but one that underscores Aprilia's focus on premium components. The bike's electronic package, powered by the 6-axis IMU, also includes cornering ABS, further enhancing safety in aggressive riding scenarios. Dimensionally, the Tuono 660 factory strikes a comfortable balance for riders of varying sizes. It boasts a seat height of 32.3 inches, a wheelbase of 54.4 inches, and a rake of 24.3 degrees with 4.1 inches of trail. Numbers that combine to deliver stable yet nimble handling. The 4-gallon fuel tank offers decent range for both commuting and spirited riding, while the wet weight of just 399 pounds keeps the bike light and manageable. Instead of overwhelming riders with flashy gadgets, the Tuono 660 factory keeps things focused on performance and usability. Its feature set centres around the APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control, suite, which includes launch control, multi-map ABS with cornering capabilities, traction and wheelie control, and engine braking management. These electronics not only make the bike safer, but also let riders push their limits with confidence. All information is displayed on a sharp 5-inch TFT screen that's easy to read and allows quick access to adjust settings on the fly. Visually, the bike sports a distinctive half-fairing design, finished in a matte black livery, accented by striking scarlet highlights that become most visible when leaned over, blending aggression with style. In terms of competition, the Aprilia Tuono 660 factory occupies a distinctive niche. Its rivals include the Yamaha MT9 SP, the Triumph Street Triple 765 RS, the Kawasaki Z900 SE, and the KTM 990 Duke, bikes that offer either more cylinders, larger displacements, or different engine configurations. While these competitors bring their own strengths, they tend to be pricier, making the Tuono 660 factory a compelling value proposition. Each rival boasts strong chassis and electronic packages, but Aprilia's combination of lightweight engineering, premium components, and cutting-edge electronics give it a unique edge, especially for riders looking for a motorcycle that performs equally well on the daily grind and on spirited rides. In essence, the Aprilia Tuono 660 factory is more than just a motorcycle. It's a versatile machine that masterfully blends practicality with excitement. Whether you're navigating the urban jungle or seeking thrills on a winding road, it delivers an intoxicating combination of power, precision, and technological sophistication. For riders searching for the ultimate midweight marvel, this Aprilia stands tall as a benchmark that redefines what a middleweight naked bike can be. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for new upcoming videos of motorcycles. Thanks for watching.